Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you, Instagram Library Big Pack for Premiere Pro. This is RAR file, you can download link in description, it's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. I have downloaded some of these simple pictures, you will use your pictures. Okay. Now I'm extract here this file, you can also extract files. Okay. Open this folder. What you can see. Here you can see there is a project file. Before opening, open the Premiere Pro software. Create a new project. Now give your project name. This is project panel. Now I will open the project file. I just opened it by double-clicking. Make sure change the name of this project file. You can see the project has been saved separately. Now input my downloaded pictures and bring them here. Now I will create a custom sequence. See slowly, make sure keep the height and width right. Horizontal 1920 and vertical 1080. Then click OK. So, I drag the picture into the timeline. First, I start with basic. When you open it you can see basic when I clicked on it once, then look at the timeline, V3 is above plus give. Click plus and see. Wait a minute, I'll show you a little bigger. Done. Now click and drag to timeline. So I hope you can set your posts like this, there will be no problem. I am showing some things, it is not possible to show all of them. If there is any problem, please contact us to comment. I'm finishing here like today, hope you understand. If you do not understand, please let us know in the comments, we will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it be sure to subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Thanks.